Welcome back to another video in this series, the beginner series. Today we're going to be rocking this Mom Glam eyes. It's super simple, it's easy to pull off, and you can wear this with any lip color. Yes, this is an everyday kind of glammed up look. And the eyes are so toned down though, you can pair it with all the lipsticks you want. First, want to start off by always priming our eyes. We're using the AOA Studio eyeshadow primer, and we are taking the HardCandy Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. The metallics in this palette are phenomenal, and the mattes are pretty great as well. So we're taking this kind of skin tony matte brown, and we are popping that in the crease. And we're going to do a combination of blending circles, windshield wiper motions, and literally patting and pouncing that shade in the crease. I am blending this out as I go. I don't pick up any more color for this as well. That is all that I'm going to be applying in the crease. Now this shadow here I'm using, it's actually a Physicians Formula eyeliner from a Nude trio. And I believe it's the lightest one. And these are shimmery, and you can use these for eyeshadow bases, they're gel eyeliners, whatever you want. We're taking that beautiful white champagne-y shimmery metallic shade there, absolutely stunning, and we're going to apply that to our lids. So we're going to use a combination of patting and dragging because these shades are chunky and glittery. And to really maximize that metallic effect, I'm going to crush that pigment and blend it on the lid, if that makes any kind of sense. So we're just taking that blending brush and blending the harsh edges down. We're picking up this dark brown shimmery metallic shade. I would have preferred it to be matte, but this worked out very well. I used very little of this product. I tapped into it just a couple times to build it up because shades like this can get out of hand. So we're placing that in our outer corner area here in our V area, almost placing it as a V, and we're just using that to darken up the outer corner just a bit. And then we're going to go in and blend the eyeshadow out once again, and we're almost done with the eyes. So next I'm taking this also French Vanilla matte shade for the highlight area. This is also just a very classic highlight shade, and I like that it's matte. It works out very nicely. We're going to apply that on our brow bone and blend that down, and take our blending brush and blend all of that out as well. We're wiping away all the fallout because I have not done any face makeup for this look yet, and I'm using a wipe to do so. We're using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, like always, to tight line the upper and the lower rim. On the lower lash line, I'm going less than halfway in, and I just think it looks great like that. It doesn't close off your eye. We're also going to be using the LaColors Wowie Lash Mascara and applying 2 coats of this to our lashes. Wiping away more fallout, and that's the eyes completely finished and done. Here's the face makeup. If you want to see a video on this, stay tuned. I do have a face routine on how to get glowy skin in this beginner series using minimal products. I'm using the Maybelline Nude Lust lipstick in 920. I just love this lipstick right now. But I also paired this look with a bright pink lip, a bright purple lip, a dark berry toned wine lip, and that basic nude lip. So you can see that these eyes can be paired with anything because they're very toned down but very glamish, and I think this would be perfect for every day or date night. You know, you can bump it up. To this look, you can always add a colored liquid eyeliner like I did in this picture here. It just adds a fun pop of color. And hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos in the beginner series.